Alright, so welcome back to the channel again, guys. Here today in this video, I wanted to introduce to you a new feature that was introduced to the X1 Pro Max, and that is called the Copilot feature. This feature allows you to manually control the movements while it's tracking you. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you're on the latest firmware for the Pro Max, as well as the latest firmware for the beacon, joystick, and for the X1 app as well. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to turn it on. Wait for it to boot up. Now I'm going to connect the beacon here. Turn it on. Just wait for it to pair. All right, so now that we're connected to the beacon, what you want to do to access the Copilot, you have to switch it. It only works in follow mode, dolly track, and sidetrack modes. So keep that in mind. It does not work with any other mode other than those three. So I'm going to go into the follow mode. And now I'm going to swipe up. And when I do that, you see that the Copilot feature is now active. And you can turn that off or on. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect the right joystick. Now you see that it goes directly into manual control now that you're connected to the joystick. So what you want to do again is you want to go into follow or whatever tracking modes and swipe up, and there you see that the Copilot feature is there. All right. Also with the other joystick, if you connect it, it's still in manual mode, but now you see that the Copilot is activated as well. So I have it on follow, as you can see. Swipe up and it's there. So you can control it, the Copilot feature, with the beacon alone, or using the motion controller with just one joystick, or the full RC configuration. So that's pretty cool that you can do that. It's similar to DJI's Active Track, I believe. So it's a pretty cool feature to have. With the app, you can do the same. Just make sure that you're, again, updated to the latest version, which I believe is 2.32.0 is the latest one. But anything above works as well. The next thing I wanted to mention is now they have a new 30-meter distance option for bird's eye. So I'm going to click on bird's eye, go to the settings, and now you see here it has a 30 meter, 5 meter, 7 meter, 9 meter, 15, and 30. And you also have the 30-meter distance option in zoom out. So that's pretty cool that you can now allow it to go 30 meters farther. It gives you wider angle shots. So that's nice. Yeah, so that's basically it. That's all I had for you guys today. I just wanted to show you guys those new features. And yeah, if you have any questions, just leave your comments below. All right, you guys have a beautiful day, and God bless you all.